Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we dig deep into trending products and expose whether they're worth your money or just another scam. Today, we're reviewing the Osmo Pro Vacuum, a device that claims to be the ultimate solution for hassle-free cleaning. But is it really worth buying, or just a waste of your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. The Osmo Pro Vacuum is advertised as a high-tech, compact cleaning device designed to make home cleaning easier. The company highlights features like powerful suction, advanced filters, quiet operation, and smart design. Sounds impressive, right? But marketing claims often sound better than reality. After checking customer feedback, unboxing reviews, and real user experiences, here's what stood out. Suction power. While it claims to have strong suction, several buyers reported it struggles with carpets and pet hair. Works okay on smooth floors, but not as powerful as advertised. Battery life. The battery seems to drain quickly, giving you less cleaning time than the company promises. Build quality. Many users felt the materials were cheap and not durable enough for long-term use. Price point. For what it offers, the vacuum seems overpriced compared to established brands like Dyson or Shark, which provide better performance and warranties. What really raises eyebrows is the lack of transparent customer support. Some buyers mentioned delayed deliveries, poor return policies, and difficulty contacting the company. These are major red flags when buying any product online. So, is the Osmo Pro Vacuum worth your money? Based on the evidence, it's more of a waste of money than a smart investment. The product doesn't live up to the hype, and with questionable customer service, it's safer to stick with trusted brands that have proven reliability. If you were considering buying this vacuum, my advice is to save your money and avoid the disappointment. That wraps up today's review. Have you tried the Osmo Pro Vacuum yourself? Share your experience in the comments below. It could help others make better decisions. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another scam alert from Online Scam Advisor. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online. Thank you.